How to edit background music with Auto Duck and Envelope in Audacity. To begin, I added 2 tracks. The first one is a narrator.
Once upon a time.
And the second track is music. Here I want to decrease music volume when the narrator is speaking and increase it when narrator is not speaking. From the toolbar, select the envelope tool. Now click to add 4 points to the music track like what I did here. Drag the first and last point to the bottom to decrease the audio volume.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia who had a love for all things creative. She had a unique
Instead of using envelope tool, we can do this automatically. First, undo the changes. Now drag the music track above the narrator track. The music track must be above. Double-click on the music to select it. Now from Effect menu, Volume and Compression, select Auto Duck. Here we can set Fade in and out amount and duck amount. I just click on Apply button.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia who had a love for all things creative. She had a unique perspective on the world.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.